Despite higher interest rates, the number of homeowners behind on their mortgage payments in Alberta have reached the lowest levels in nearly a decade. That drop is according to recent data from the Canadian Bankers Association. But as Terry Fikowski reports, experts suggest the number could start ticking upward soon.
As a realtor, Kate Morris has been involved in a fair share of foreclosure sales in Calgary, but there are currently only a few on the market across the city.
Like right now in Calgary, I only saw 16 active and pending listings as far as foreclosures go, so that's not a lot.
According to the Canadian Bankers Association, mortgages in arrears in Alberta, where payments are overdue by 3 or more months, have dropped to rates not seen in nearly a decade. 0.29% of the province's more than 585,000 mortgages were behind by the end of November of 2024. The lowest percentage recorded since 2015 when oil prices crashed.
The primary driver of those lows are employment conditions and labor conditions. The labor market is frankly quite strong in Alberta.
Canada's percentage of mortgages in arrears is 0.21%. And though many homeowners have weathered challenging periods like the COVID-19 pandemic, there are signs of increased pressures.
We have seen the unemployment rate go up. And as the unemployment goes up, we would expect, although we haven't seen in the data yet, mortgage delinquency rates to go up.
The Canadian Mortgage and Housing Corporation estimates 1.2 million Canadians face higher interest rates when they renew their mortgage in 2025, which could cause delinquencies to rise. There are also concerns about foreign pressures.
If the Canadian economy will go into a slowdown because of the tariffs or whatever policies, this may lead to job losses, and people obviously, when they've lost their job, have a very hard time paying their mortgages.
Experts anticipate Alberta's growing population will help it fare better than others, though Morris knows the stories of those who've fallen behind and faced foreclosure.
It was heartbreaking, to be honest. These people were salt of the earth, amazing people that were just given a not great hand.
Terry Fikowski, CTV News, Calgary.
Now, the data for Alberta also includes mortgages in the Territories and Nunavut. The highest rate of mortgage arrears was seen in Saskatchewan, while the lowest was tied between Quebec and British Columbia.